If you're watching this right now, there's a good chance something feels urgent. Maybe you received a foreclosure notice. Maybe your car was repossessed, or you're afraid it will be. Maybe your paycheck is being garnished. Maybe your phone won't stop ringing and you're thinking, how did it get this bad? Is there any way to stop this? Are we about to lose everything? Take a breath. There's a legal way to stop escalation, and it may be simpler than you think. My name is William Ridings. I represent individuals and couples who feel overwhelmed by debt pressure in Missouri. Foreclosure, repossession, wage garnishment, lawsuits, constant creditor harassment. I want you to understand something very important. Bankruptcy is not failure. Bankruptcy is a strategy. What's actually happening is that creditors escalate in a predictable stages. First, the calls, then the demand letters, then the lawsuits, then the judgments, then garnishment or foreclosure. They move fast when you don't respond, but the law gives you protection. When bankruptcy is filed, something powerful happens. An automatic stay goes into effect. That means foreclosures pause, repossessions can stop, garnishments can stop, lawsuits freeze, collection calls must stop immediately, not eventually, immediately. What most people don't know, most people assume if I file bankruptcy, I lose everything. That is rarely true. In many cases, people keep their home, their vehicle, their paycheck, their retirement accounts, household belongings. The law was actually designed to give honest people a fresh start, but timing matters, strategy matters, and every situation is different. If you're a couple watching this, you may not even agree on what to do. One of you may be panicking. The other may be in denial. That's normal. What matters is that you don't let fear make the decision. Gather information first, because when garnishment starts or foreclosure deadlines pass, options shrink. Here's the truth. Trying to power through crushing debt often damages finances more than a strategic reset. Draining retirement, maxed out cards, borrowing from family, making the minimum payments forever. Sometimes the most responsible decision is to legally and reset legally and rebuild correctly. Bankruptcy is not the end of your financial stories. For many families, it's the turning point. Here's what rebuilding looks like. After the discharge, the debt pressure is gone. Collection calls have stopped. Wage garnishments are over. You can breathe again. And from there, we rebuild. Credit can improve. Homeownership can happen again. Stability returns. But the first step is stopping the bleeding. If you're dealing with foreclosure threats, repossession risk, garnishment, lawsuits, constant creditor harassment, you need clarity, not panic. Schedule a consultation. Let's look at your specific situation. Because once you understand your options, the fear usually decreases immediately. You're not alone. You're not irresponsible. And you're not out of options. Bankruptcy is not about giving up. It's about protecting your family and rebuilding with intention. Let's talk.